Hi everyone. Okay, so earlier today I made a post and I'm just gonna introduce myself. First of all, my name is Shola and I have three channels, whichever way you want to say it. My first channel is called Discovering Natural, and this is my natural hair channel that I have with my daughters. And then my second channel is like the onset off of that, so it's like my family lifestyle channel, which is called this DN Vlogs Life. Okay, then the third channel that I manage is my daughter's channel called Just Eniola. And yeah, so I made a post asking people what their Instagram was and if they used Instagram to grow their channel. And Precious and some other people, I think Jerry, she also said I should come on live and kind of give you some tips that I have used to grow my channel, using Instagram to grow my channel. So yeah, so that's it. I'm coming to you with my shrunken off twist and curl. It's amazing how your hair just, it just shrinks up like forever. But yeah, regardless, I'm having a fabulous day. I hope you guys are as well. Hi everyone joining in. So first thing first, when you create an Instagram page, make sure that the Instagram page has the same name as your YouTube channel. If possible, make sure it has the same name as your YouTube channel, because that is one way that if people are looking for you on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever, they want to use your channel name to find you. So tip number one. So if you've not yet done that, go and change your Instagram name and change it to your channel name. Step number two, when you have a Instagram page, make sure it is public. Never make your Instagram page private, because you want people to have easy access. Even brands use Instagram to find you. You want them to be able to send you messages and to connect with you that way. So make it public. Step number three that has helped me is connect with others. So when you have an Instagram page, let's say that for now, let me give you an example. So I did this hairstyle, is a twist and curl. So maybe I'll post a picture of the twist and curl, maybe like a couple of days before I'm gonna publish the video. Okay, so I let people anticipate. So people are like, oh wow, how did you do that style? I can do it in one way. I can post the picture of my hair a couple of days before and then build up people's excitement towards getting the video. And then on the day of the video release, I could do snippets of the video. So how do you grab snippets of your video, which means how do you grab small footages of your video that you want to show on Instagram? Two things that I use. I've either used a simple way using your screenshot, just screen recording, or you could use something called tube2gram.com. Now, tube, T-U-B-E, number 2, G-R-A-M, tube2gram allows you to get 1 minute footage. So you go on that website, they say, okay, they ask you what is the link of your video link. You put the video link, then they give you what is the segment that you want them to package. So what they do is that they will give you that segment, 1 minute segment, and I usually have them send it to my email so that I can have it for other platforms. You can push it directly into your Instagram, but I don't advise doing that, because the reason why is because when they give it to you in your email, so they have this MP file that they give it to your email, you can now format it the way you want. So sometimes I find that from what research that I've done, from things that I've read, people have said that if you have wardens in your videos, it intrigues people better. So once in a while, depending on the kind of video, I'll put a warden at the top of the video and then my video link at the bottom. So I posted something this morning on my family channel, DN Vlogs, VLOGS Life, L-I-F-E, DN Vlogs Life, and I posted a video this morning on me making cocoyam. It's a Ghanaian dish, even though I'm Nigerian. Hi, Kimberly. So you can see an example of what I'm talking of there. So underneath I say watch full video on my channel. Whenever you post videos, don't just post videos and then add words, add your video, your channel name to your video. Another way is when you post pictures, be deliberate. What does this picture, just don't post any picture. What's this picture trying to convey? What are you trying to gain from this picture? So if I post a picture of my hair, when I post, if I post it like this and post curls or whatever, I can put my channel name if I have the time to. There are tools that you can use, and very simple and easy tool to use is called InShot, InShot. InShot allows you to put graphics, allows you to customize your template, like your wordings and everything, and it's much easier to use than other apps like Lightroom is another app, just different apps. This one is much easier. So you can do that, and then the videos that you have, you can also put those videos on IGTV. If you have access to IGTV, I strongly advise that you try to use that maybe once a week, or if you post videos just once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Post the full video on IGTV, and then always post a preview onto your Instagram. You can look at Discovery Natural Instagram page and you can see examples of what I do. I love answering questions. So if you have any questions at all, send me a message on Instagram, or better still, send me a message on Facebook on Discovery Natural page on Facebook, and I can chat back and forth with you. I love answering questions. I love sharing things. I don't hold back. So people are like, oh, I don't want to ask a question, blah, blah. No, that's not me. I'm totally, what you see is what you get. So so that's another thing. So another thing that I know that has helped me a lot is also having telling a story. And when I mean telling a story on your page. So for example, okay, someone says is in the back. Okay, I'll answer that question after I finish what I'm saying so that I don't lose my train of thought. So telling a story. So when you're going to post, let's say I'm planning out my post for this week, and I'll say every day, I post every day. You look at your analytic on Instagram and see when is the best time to post for your audience. When is the day or the time that your audience are kind of on Instagram a lot. Post during that time, play around with the times to see which one works better. And in addition, when you post, tell a story. So today's post, I post every day, or as much as possible. I post every day. When I post, so I'll say something like, okay, so I post a picture of my hair yesterday, what I was going to use to wash my hair. So I had a picture, very easy video footage of the product I was using, which is Wonder Curls. And then today, so people send me a lot of message. How did it work? What did you do afterwards? So I've built up the excitement. So the next post that I'm going to do will be how I style my hair, or will be how my hair turned out. Then the following post could be night routine. So you're pretty much telling a story as you go, and that helps a lot. Take the most clearest picture that you can get. Post pictures in good lighting. Now somebody was saying, let me answer Kimberly's question first of all, and I'm gonna bring out my glasses. So Kimberly says, is that what you use to have Discover Natural in the back? Yes. So InShot is one thing that I use to have Discover Natural in the back. I also use Lightroom. I use InShot when I have not so much space on my phone. My phone always gets so filled up so easily, and InShot is faster. Lightroom is usually is much more work. If I want to change like the contrast, bring in more shadow, you know, highlight this, highlight that, or pop more color onto my hair, or do something more elaborate, then I'll use Lightroom. I won't use Lightroom for just simple video shots. So if I want to take a picture right now and I take this picture, so there are different ways you can take picture. We can get into that. If you guys want me to appear again, we can get into that. So me taking a picture like this is not going to attract a lot of people. Okay, you yourself, when you take a picture, you want to say, will I click on this picture? If I take a picture like this, it's not going to attract people. But then watch what I'm doing now. Okay, if I take a picture like this, I'm sorry to play this game, but people love curls or stuff, or people love anticipation of what's going on. So if I take a picture more in your face or something, it's going to attract more people. So you play around with that. It's all about playing around what works. Now, someone was saying something. Oh, hi Amy, how are you? Somebody was asking a question saying that they post thumbnails. I don't post thumbnails, and I'll tell you why. As someone that looks through Instagram and I'm scrolling through, actually, like my Instagram right now, for Instagram, I do manage some clients and stuff, and I do manage some other people's pages. And if I'm scrolling through and I see pictures of like thumbnails or so much wordiness, there's so much words all over, it doesn't intrigue me. It doesn't make me say, oh, I want to watch that video, unless I'm really into what that person has to say. But if I post a picture of the person, maybe the person is talking about shrinkage right now, or the person does something like, and then people do not read. But again, the people that do read are those people that become loyal. So post a question in your Instagram post. So start off with an interesting question like, should I cut my hair? People will be like, oh my gosh. Or start off with a story like, so I went, make it interesting. Whatever you're gonna post, always add hashtags. Hashtag. Now don't overwhelm with hashtag every time. So what I do sometimes is that I have templates. I use what is called there's an app I use called Planoly. So Planoly is an app that allows you to schedule when you post, what to post. So it helps you manage when you are posting. So Planoly also allows you to be able to create templates of hashtags. So I have different templates of hashtag. I have templates of hashtag for my family channel, DM Vlogs Life. And then I have template of hashtag for children's hairstyle, since I have kids and I do that. I have template of hashtag for videos and all that stuff, and then I have for general hair care. So I broke it down that way. You can have templates of hashtag, and it's called Planoly. That's the app that I use. There are different apps out there that will allow you to schedule. And Planoly, what it does is that you can plan out all your posts for the week. And then Planoly will just alert you, because Instagram has a third-party restriction whereby they don't allow third parties to come in and post on your page. So Instagram, so when you schedule all your posts, similar to Facebook scheduler. So I have a Facebook page also with about 157,000 followers, and I schedule my posts for the week. Unlike Facebook, where you schedule your posts for the weeks and it posts it out there, Planoly will not post it out there. Planoly will notify you and say, okay, it's 2 o'clock now, time to post, and you click on it, and then you can post your stuff by yourself. So I've used that in the past. I've not used it lately, just because lately I've been doing my own thing, posting when I wanted to. But if you want to really grow, you can do that. So going back to YouTube, so when you are gonna have a video and you say, okay, a video is out, you want to post Insta stories also. That is one place that you can put your thumbnail. So put your thumbnail on your Insta story, and if you have the swipe option, then you can post a link to the video on your link area, and then when people see the thumbnail, they can swipe up. Or you can post a small segment of your video onto your Insta story, and then people can swipe up or do as they please. I'm thinking about other things you can do. Yes, other things you can do is comment on other people's video Instagram posts. connect with people that talk to you and say something inside your Instagram post. Don't leave them on read. Just comment back to them. You can comment back heart or something. But one thing someone told me once was that if you're on somebody else's Instagram page, do not comment with heart, with emojis and stuff like that. Really write something tangible. Even if that person has never been on your Instagram page and you write something very intriguing and very tangible, that person that made that post might be inclined to look at your profile. Now, it is very important to put your YouTube channel link on your Instagram, or if you can put a video, fine. I used to put videos on that, but then I kept on forgetting to update the video. So now I just put my channel on there, and that has been working nice. You can also, if you look at somebody's picture and people are asking questions, you can also do videos on those questions people are asking and then use it to draw more people to your channel. So just being proactive in everything, and when I mean proactive, I mean honest, proactive behavior. Don't just do it because, oh, I want views. Be genuinely interested in what that person is posting. Support that person, similar to how you support people on YouTube. Also support that person on Instagram. And I hope with all these tips, and if I have more tips, I'll put a post out there. But these are the tips that has helped me. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year, a wonderful 2020. And if you want to, you can check out my channel, which is called Discovering Natural. One word, Discovering Natural. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Feel free to send me a message on Discovery Natural Facebook group or even on Instagram if you have any questions. Take care and stay blessed. Bye.